I spent a lot of time to fill this position. But in actual cost, what cost is it? The actual cost is this one. The people involved, who are involved in the interview, what are the logistics, or what are the peripherals, things that is paper, whatever involved, you add up all these costs. That will give you the numbers. Alright? Offer acceptance ratio, right? If what you offer out, for example, acceptance ratio is low, meaning the offer is not attractive. Then you need to study why is it not attractive. Is it the way you put up your advertisement? Now offer and accepted doesn't mean that signing a contract. Accepted means when you put out advertisement, how many people respond to it? That's offer and acceptance ratio. If you put out an offer, that means you offer somebody a job, you put out an ad, you have this job you should. And your offer, people come back and respond is slow. That means your offer, your job itself, not even salary, you talk about the job itself.